I tell somebody if they want to work hard, have fun, and do really cool work, then this is a great place to be. The cool thing about what we do here at Plug is we do provide additional power to customers who don't have power themselves at their sites. So we have a customer that can't get electricity to their site. So an alternative solution is we have fuel cells where we provide hydrogen to that site, convert that hydrogen back to electricity, and that's how that building, in this example, runs their building off of hydrogen, converting back to electricity.
Along with working with really smart people, what I love doing is taking technology and bringing it into a real product. And part of that making it into a real product, we have to think about how it goes and gets manufactured and put together and how the customer is going to use it in the end.
Because you're just learning skills that's going to help you, and not only you, but the people that you work with, so you can teach them on how to be better.
I think I'm most excited probably by the electrolyzer system, just because of how big it is, right? And there's a lot of effort that goes into manufacturing one of those. And there's a lot of skill that's necessary in order to make sure that it works correctly. So I think that excites me the most.
The best part of the work is actually delivering for customers. I'm very focused on delivering for the customer, making sure the customer is happy. You met Diana, who is responsible for building out the electrolyzer containers that were in one of them here at Vista. And she's a great example of that.
But basically what this big hunk of metal does is you put water and power into it, and it splits out hydrogen and oxygen, and that's what you get out.
I went to WPI and I have a degree in chemical engineering, but what I took most from that is how to use engineering to solve problems and make the world better. So, and that's all using the engineering design process.
It's nice to see like groups of younger people coming in interested in the technology that we have, because again, we're not like anywhere else. It's just fun to work here because it's something different every day. So it's nice to be able to take what you learn from school and then apply it here too.